Okay, so two major things happened this December. One, the orcas went up and down our coasts in Southern California, which is very rare. And the second thing that happened was the huge waves that hit our coast, which I'll talk and show more about that later. But first, let's talk about the orcas. I believe that there's been two orca pods heading up and down our coast this year. There was one in April, and then the one now in December. Unfortunately, we didn't get to see either, but a lot of people did. The orcas this December had a really interesting route, and I'll show you that now. The orcas were first spotted off of Palos Verdes, and then they were continuously spotted making their way down the coast, kind of towards San Diego. San Diego was the most south they got, because after that, they started heading back up the coast until they reached the Channel Islands. That was where they were last spotted, according to the information I have now. Orcas are very interesting because different pods and families of them have different foods and different ways of communicating. Kind of like how humans, different cultures have different customs, languages, and cuisines. Some orcas eat sea lions, some eat dolphins, some eat seals, some eat fish, some even eat sharks, which makes them the top predator on the ocean. And they're also extremely intelligent. Now let's move on to the waves. Apparently, I wasn't the only one who wasn't panicking.
It's coming!
It's
coming!
My dad also flew his drone up, so we got great footage from the sky. Okay, so we are down at the marina by the yacht club. These are the biggest waves I have ever seen. They go way over the wall, like the one right there that just crashed. Oh, and it looks like we just missed one. Oh, here's a big one coming. Oh. Whoa, that went way over the wall. Okay, so that's wave number 1. Wave number 3 is absolutely spectacular, so definitely wait until the end. Okay, here's wave number 2. Whoa! That's big! Bigger than the first one, but not as big as the third one. Oh, and here comes the third one. You can see in the background, the waves cresting super high. And bam! Woo! Oh, you can see that seagull fleeing. Oh, and that must be millions of gallons of water pouring off those rocks. Wow!